Why, hello. I am on Facebook. See? Facebook. You didn't see all those tapes. You don't know those people. Ooh, that might be bad for people that popped up on there, you know. Oh well, too late now. You saw them. Don't tell my friends I showed you there. That's a good idea. I could give you tours of my friends' Facebook pages because no one else will do that because it'll probably block out all their personal information, but I can give you their personal information because me, I don't care. My friends will know that they should know. Jade, with a video camera? Crap, better hide our personal information. I gave you my personal information just there, my first name, but you already know that because you're on my YouTube account. And guess what? Tells you my first name. Probably my last name too. Not smart on my part. Oh well, bye-bye. I'm bored with you now.